Okay, what's up guys? Back again, andysupadupa, and today it's going to be a quick one, and I'm going to just show you how to customize the user interface in Zbrush. So this is the default setup, and all you have to do is you go up to the top, click Preferences, and then down to Config, and then there's a button that says Enable Customize, so you got to click that, and then when that's enabled, you hold Control and Alt, and then you can left click and drag. So first thing I do is drag out the enable button, that way you can get to it quicker. So I always just put it up there. And whilst that button is orange, as long as you're holding Control and Alt, you can move stuff around wherever you like. So if we open up the brush menu, for example, I should be able to grab one of these, Control and Alt, left click drag, put it down here. Made ourselves a nice little shortcut, and all you have to do is just go through all the different tools, find the things you want that will make your life a little easier, and you're good to go. And it's that simple. So if I load up Restore Custom, you can see what I've done, and I've got all my brushes and bits and bobs. But you're probably wondering, okay, I've made my changes, how do I actually save them? Because you can't just unclick the button and save it. So it's twofold. So back to config, it's all in the config. You unclick the enable customize button to start off with, and then two things. You click store config, so it's there for when you start up your new file. So say you're making a new model, if you've stored the config, it will be there in your startup. But what you also need to do is click the save UI. Just save it, name it whatever you like, and then you're good to go. So the next file you load up, if the store config for whatever reason hasn't worked, you can just click load UI and then it will be there. Now there are some strange things that happen. So say for example on my one I have Dynamesh, right? And because I've got a 3D mesh in scene, that button's there. But you'll find if you're on a blank page before you've got a Polymesh 3D object, that button may have disappeared. So I don't know why that is. They should just grey it out so you can't use it. But as soon as you've got a Polymesh 3D, the button will just appear again. I don't know. But just to recap, you go into Preferences, you click Enable Customize, you do your changes by holding Control and Alt, left click and dragging whatever you like, untick the Enable Customize button, then back into Config under Preferences, and you click Store Config and Save UI. That's it for today. As I said, nice quick one. Even then, I've rambled on more than I wanted to, so all the best. And if you want to see anything else, give me a message, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you next time. Bye.